Hello guys, it's me, Melanie, and today I want to make a review of a product that I just recently bought. Is this product, the Iluminator from Iconic London. Just to make sure, this is not a makeup tutorial. It's just that I want to show you how much I love it, why I love it so much. Not only because it's a brand that sells cruelty-free products, but also because of its amazing results. I am not a makeup artist. To be fair, I haven't done much makeup in my life. I've just recently changed some of my habits or some of the things that I was putting because I learned from other people. But probably I'm going to be doing things that you will be like, if you're, if you're more into makeup, you'll be like, what is she doing? But I'm just gonna try my best. I would also like to mention before starting that it is okay to not wear makeup, and many days I don't wear it and I feel totally confident and it's totally fine. But I also like makeup, and I also like to wear things that I don't normally wear, or to change a little bit how I look. It depends on the day. And it is also okay to have marks, to have pimples, have blackheads. It's okay, and you just have to take care of your skin and love yourself as you are. So let's get started. I know probably I'm doing a lot of mistakes. I'm sorry. Sorry about those artists and makeup artists. Alright, so I'm gonna go with a brush here. I'm gonna look here because like the camera is too far. Oh, by the way, I use these brushes. They are from So Eco, and they are also cruelty-free, and they are recyclable, made out of bamboo. Now I'm gonna go with the eyes. I'm just gonna do it quickly, and I'm not even going to explain what I do. I'm just gonna go through it quickly. Okay, sometimes I apply it with my hand because I think it just looks more natural. Sometimes it depends on with what products. Here, like this one and the Enine as well. Sometimes I do my eyebrows like thicker, and sometimes I just do like something very small, just like I am going to do today. Alright, now I have done my whole makeup. Right, so let's get to the product. As you can see, this is a very tiny bottle, and sometimes for the price, because for Spain is around like 40 euros, so that's quite expensive for makeup, especially if you're a person who really never wears makeup at all, or that normally doesn't use makeup. But let me tell you, because you're going to see now that just with a tiny drop you can do a whole highlight here. So it's just gonna take like last you a long time. So make sure you shake it well before using it, and let's see how it works. By the way, Iconic London, it was a brand that was created in 2015, and they have amazing products. All the products are vegan and cruelty free, so make sure you check the page down below. So I'm just gonna go closer, and you're going to see how it applies. So I'm just gonna put a tiny drop here, 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 and here. This color is pink pearl. Oh my god, you can see like how it looks just with a tiny drop. Like, oh my, I love it. I just really love the product, and it feels really fresh as well. I don't normally apply this with a brush because I just feel like it's more natural, and it looks better if you just apply it with your hand. As you can see, like, oh, it shines a lot. I love it. And just with a tiny, like you can see here, let me show you. Like, I don't know if you can see it properly, but it's so amazing. I'm just gonna go for the other side. Let me show you. And about like how long it lasts like this, over the hours it just turns into like more of a like shiny, just like shiny glitter. It doesn't look like exactly like this after some hours, but if you're gonna go out just for some hours and then you apply also the fixer, it's just gonna look super nice and super natural as well. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more here. As you can see, like I really like it, seriously. And I also like to use these on the top of my nose and also the top of my lips. So let's see. Like seriously, with a tiny drop, here are my hands. Like seriously, that shines a lot just with that, just with a drop. I think it's really worth the price, and I think it's just not because of the results, but also because it's something, you know, that we should start thinking more about. Buying products are cruelty free and they don't damage animals and use animals to create these things, because we live in a world like with full of resources to do and to create many things without using the animals and without causing pain. So this is the final result. Because I just love it, don't you? It's just like, it looks so natural. My rate for this product is probably a 9.5 out of 10 or a 10 out of 10. I am very happy that more and more brands are becoming more conscious about these things, and especially about health and care and skincare, because we put a lot of products and sometimes we don't even know where they come from. So I really recommend you to use this one. It might be a little bit expensive for some people, but it lasts a long time and it's really worth it, and it's not something that you put every single day. So I really recommend you to buy this one, or just buy any other product from the brand because they are amazing. Also, if you want me to show you the products that I used because you like how all the makeup is combined, or if you want to ask me something, or if you want to give me some advice as well on something that I'm doing wrong, just go ahead and do it. Comment down below or DM on my Instagram account. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bell and then you also go and subscribe. And that's it. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon. Bye!